Hi, I'm Mike Sutton, owner of Mobilitechs. Mobilitechs is a full-service IT consulting company. We provide security, backup and disaster recovery, management services for our clients. Yes, we can fix broken computers, clean up virus infections, but that's bare minimum expectation you should have from any tech. What we try to do is eliminate our customers' IT problems, not just fix them faster. So what we do is we look at all the areas where you need service in your business, web and email, backup and disaster recovery, security, antivirus software, web content filtering, maintenance of the actual computers, end user training, and we put together a service plan where for fixed monthly costs we take care of all those issues for you, bring in whatever hardware and software we need, and we're available to you when you need us so that you can focus on running your business and being as efficient and profitable as possible without having to worry about is all this other stuff taken care of. We try to make sure that the technology enables your business instead of slowing it down.
So what will you cover in your session on technology fundamentals? That's the breakfast session, right?
Yep, the first session of the day, it's going to be a short one, and we're going to talk about technology fundamentals. So the goal of that session is to kind of outline some of the things that we talked about with respect to security, backup and disaster planning, managing your workstations, end user training, because within an organization, and a lot of organizations aren't doing those things that they should be, but my assumption is that that's the bare minimum that you need to be doing in your business to protect yourself, to protect your data, and to keep business moving. So we're going to cover those things. You do need to have support in your business, but it should be fast, easy, and efficient. From there, we're going to build on the next sessions and talk about how to get deeper into utilizing your technology to actually make your business better, more profitable, more competitive.
You're having a session on cloud computing. Can you tell me some more details about what that's going to be about?
Yep, in the cloud computing session, we're going to talk about what is cloud computing. It's kind of on its own sort of an ambiguous term. People have some sense that they can access services remotely, but they don't know what that means or how they could leverage it. So we're going to try and clear up some of that, talk about some of the technologies that are out there. Ultimately, cloud computing is just using the resources of another computer someplace else that you don't have to own or manage or worry about the hardware of, whether it's processing or storage or bandwidth. Getting your software and information delivered to you as a service as opposed to having a server on site that you have to own and maintain and update and service. So we'll cover some of that stuff. We'll talk about cases where it makes sense, cases where it doesn't make sense, what some of the risks are, what some of the benefits are, and give business owners a guideline to think about what of the cloud services make sense in their business. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's something that you need to look at and say, does it make sense for me, knowing that there are benefits, there are risks, there are advantages, there are disadvantages. What's most important to me as a business owner as I'm evaluating this so that I can choose the right solution.